Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and we are about to get into this super cute matching nail and toenail set that I got from Temu. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, let's set the toenails to the side. We'll come back to them later. Let's get into the nails. So I always take all the nails out and spread them out so I can see exactly how many nails of each size there is in the set. This set comes with 24 nails and 24 toenails. So this is all the nails. And so we got 4 Oogie Boogie nails, and then we got 4 really small pinky nails, and then like the next size up for pinky nails, which I already know these are not my size, is gonna be these because I do have wide nail beds. So I do love that they include multiples of each size in this set. And then I love that spider nail, which is probably gonna be either for my ring finger or my index finger. Looks like that's what it's gonna fit. That nail matches the spider on the toenails, so I really hope I can make it work, but it looks a little small. But let's go ahead and size our nails and see. So from the looks of that spider nail, I was thinking it was going to fit my ring finger or my index finger, but it's way too small. And it ended up being the perfect size for my pinky finger. So I kind of misjudged the nails just by looking at them. That's why it's very important to actually size your nails and see which nails fit your fingers. Don't just go off of how the size of the nail looks. You have to actually size the nails and make sure they are covering the full nail bed of your natural nail from sidewall to sidewall, and it's comfortable around the cuticle and it's not too tight. My index finger and my ring finger are around the same size, so I'm glad all 4 of the Oogie Boogie monster nails fit my ring finger and my index finger, so I can include all 4 of them in the set. And then we have the ghost nail in the middle for the middle finger, and that's the set, honey. Y'all see it. Like, once you size your nails and pick them out and put them in the order that they are going to be in on your fingers, it makes them so much easier to apply. So let's go ahead and continue with the nail prep. My nails are looking so busty right now, but that's why we're doing what we're doing. So I'm just gonna clip my natural nails down some because they did grow out quite a bit. Well, that one is fine. They did grow out a bit while I had my last set on, which was the super cute, cutesy, spooky ghost nails. So if you guys missed my last video where I applied those nails, make sure y'all go check it out. But yeah, so I'm just clipping my nails down. I'm not clipping them down like to a nub, but just enough. So this is what your natural nails are going to give after the clip down. You want to clip them down, but not too much, just enough. So now that they are clipped down, I'm going to be using the nail file that came with the nails. And we are just going to use it to shave the shine from the top of our natural nails. And also I have some excess glue from my last set on my nails. So I'm also shaving that excess glue off to prepare my nails for this set. So they're gonna look a little ashy, but that's how they're supposed to look. You don't have to do this too rough. I'm doing it a little bit rough because like I said, I have excess glue on some of my nails. So I'm just kind of roughly going over the spots that have the glue. But for the other spots, I'm simply just shaving that shine from the top of my natural nails. this is how they look after I have shaved down that shine and removed the excess glue from the top of my natural nails. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is take some acetone and alcohol mixture. I literally just put half of the bottle alcohol and then the other half of the bottle acetone, and this is pretty much what I use for my nail dehydrator, and it works just as effective as a nail dehydrator. So if you're trying to save some money, or if you don't have any nail dehydrator, you ran out for whatever reason, all you got to do is mix some alcohol and acetone together, and it's going to dehydrate your nails just the same. So you just want to spray your nails down like that and let it air dry, or you can also take a cotton ball to wipe it dry. We are done prepping our nails. This is exactly how you want your nails to look, nice and dry and roughened up. You do not want to apply press-on nails to a smooth, oily surface, because your nails definitely will not last long. So if you want your nails to last long, never skip that portion of nail prep where you roughen up the nail surface with a nail file. And you definitely want to use a nail dehydrator. If not a primer and a dehydrator, at least use a dehydrator, or like I said, the acetone and alcohol mixture to further dehydrate your nails. Okay, so we did the sizing, we did the nail prep, and now it is time to apply them, which is my favorite part. So let's get into it. So this is the nail glue that I'm going to be using. It is by LA Colors, and it is a fast action drip proof nail glue. I've used this nail glue in the past, and it holds my nails really well, and it really is drip proof. Some nail glues, after you have put your glue onto your nails, the glue kind of continues to spill out over the tip of the nail glue. That's not the case with this glue. So I love that about this glue. It definitely does dry kind of fast, so you have to be fast with your nail application. So just watch me apply my nails and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and start putting these nails on. So this nail glue is drip proof. I noticed that the more you press on the tube, the more glue comes out, but the minute you let go, that glue will not drip out. So it really is drip proof, but you have to be mindful of how hard you press, because all you need is just a little press against that tube. If you press too hard, too much glue is gonna spill out. So just be mindful. Be very demure with the press, okay? Very mindful, very cutesy. You see how I'm not pressing too hard and the glue is just coming out of the tube? Yeah, so you want to be very demure with it. Now, when it comes to pressing that press-on nail onto your natural nail, you don't want to be demure about that. You gotta press, honey, okay? At least for 20 to 30 seconds. And after you apply that nail glue all over your nail, you want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue that you can see, and then you're going to line that press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Press into the cuticle first, hold the center of the nail down and press. Also press against your side walls. You want to make sure you have complete coverage over your natural nail. So don't just hold the center of the nail when you're pressing it. Press against those side walls, and at least press and hold for 20 to 30 seconds to ensure that that nail is on there and it is not going to pop off. If you let go too soon, your nails may not stick how they're supposed to, and they're going to come off sooner than you want them to. Okay, so now that all the nails are on, I am going to go in with the nail file that came with them one more time and just crisping up the tips of... Hold on, pause, because I said crisping. Is crisping even a word? Like... This is why I'll be doing voiceovers, so I can go back and correct what I be saying sometimes. But this time I was just going with it while I was doing the nails. So we finna crispin them up. My nails, because I do like a nice, straight, crispy tip. So I'm just shaving that little piece that always comes on the tip of the press-on nails off and just really shaping them just a little bit more crispier. Not too much, just a little bit. That really gives them that salon quality look and finish as well when they're shaped really nice. They came shaped nice, like I could have left them alone, but I'm gonna just shape them just a little bit more. Okay, now that we got the tips nice and crispy, the last thing we need to do is apply some cuticle oil, which this cuticle oil is also from Temu. And I love it. It's very hydrating and it definitely softens and moisturizes the cuticles. Okay, so while I am finishing up putting the cuticle oil on my nails, I just wanted to say everything from this video will be linked in the description box. I absolutely love Temu, and shout out to Temu for sponsoring the nails in this video. Make sure you guys click the link in the description of this video and download the Temu app, and make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 to get you some exclusive discounts and save on your order. And this is the finished look of the nails. These nails are so bomb, y'all. The quality of them. Temu has really stepped their game up within this past year. I can honestly say with the press-on nails, they are a lot more durable, a lot more sturdy. They are a little more thicker, which helps them to last long and not bend easily. As you guys can see, I'm doing the glue test. These nails are not moving or popping off, and I don't think they will anytime soon, but y'all know I always switch my nails up within a week. If that, sometimes it could be a couple days before I want to get into a new set. But let's get into the toes. I applied the toenails the same exact way that I applied my press-on nails, and this is how they look. Never mind my little dusty slides. Those just my slides I slide on real quick when I go outside. And not too much on my slides, y'all. Everybody got a pair that they just throw on real quick when they gotta step outside and take out the trash. But make sure you guys like this video for me. Drop me a comment and let me know how you guys feel about this spooky matching press-on nail and toenail set. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you have made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. Boo! And make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace!